Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video today I am going to show how to make single name on your Facebook profile. It's a new technique. You can apply this technique to get one word name or single name on Facebook profile. If you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's start the video. So firstly open your Facebook Lite apps and then go to the setting and privacy. You will see the option settings, and here you will see the account center. Here you will get your personal details. Just tap on this. After that you can see your profile's name. Then you have to tap on the first one, Facebook profile name. After that here you will see two options, but you have to click on the name option. Here you have to remove your both name in the first name and the middle name, or you have last name, then you need to just remove this all name. After that here you have to write your name which you want to include your Facebook profile, but in this way you have to connect with Indian VPN and set location Mumbai. Okay, then I have to write my name which I want to include my profile, so I just write this name Flo, and you can see the middle name, and you have to type here in the same name. Don't write another name, just write the same name. After that you will get the review change option. Then you just tap on this. After that you will see the option, and here you will see two options. First one is two name and second one is one single name. Here you need to select the single name. I just select my name. Then you can see the save changes options. Just you have to tap on this. After that this single name will include in your profile. In this way you can make one word name, or you can make single name on your Facebook account. If you have any question, write on comments box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.